Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2015 the Ford F-250 Super Duty. Stock number is T20414A. On this virtual video walk around, take notice of the exterior condition of the super clean F-250 Super Duty. And that branch there too. I mean, the branch is a nice feature. Hey, it's in perfect video. Why not? Does have the spray-in bed liner. We're going to make our way and show you the interior rear. Ample legroom for friends and family that might be traveling with you. Chrome bumpers, leather interior. Actually, that is not a little bit of leather. Super clean, ease of access to all the controls up front, as you can see right there. And get this, just over 30,000 miles on this Super Duty. She won't last long. For more information on this truck or any others in our inventory, give us a call, email us, text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.